Hi guys! Zucchini is everywhere right now, in the stores and in your garden. A lemon zucchini bread is a great way to use up all that zucchini. First, heat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 162 degrees Celsius. I'll use a box grater to grate the zucchini. You don't even have to trim the stem, just use it as a holder so there's no waste. This is 3 cups of grated zucchini in a liquid measuring cup. We'll also need white sugar, brown sugar, oil, large eggs, lemon zest, ground cinnamon, all-purpose flour. Sieve baking powder right into the flour to remove any lumps. Add baking soda and salt. Add the ground cinnamon and whisk all the dry ingredients together. To another bowl, add white sugar and brown sugar. Mix that up. Pour in the oil and stir to combine. Add the eggs and whisk thoroughly. Add the dry ingredients to the wet in 3 parts, mixing in between. The grated zucchini goes in. And finally, the lemon zest. The batter will be thick, but you'll be able to mix it together with a wooden spoon. Leave the batter aside while preparing the baking pans. As the batter sits, the zucchini will release some of its liquid and thin it out a little bit. I'm using 2 loaf pans. Use a paper towel or brush to spread about a teaspoon of oil on the bottom and all sides. Next, put about 2 tablespoons of flour into the pan and move it around to evenly coat all sides. Tap out the excess into the second pan, adding more flour if necessary. Greasing and flouring makes it easy for the breads to come out of the pans. Divide the batter evenly between the 2 pans. Scrape it all in. Tap the pans on the counter 3 times to get rid of any air bubbles. Bake in the heated oven for 40 to 45 minutes. Cool them on a rack for 15 minutes. Slide an offset spatula around the sides and pull in gently. Turn each pan over and tap the bottom. The bread will come out cleanly. Completely cool the bread on the rack. This zucchini lemon bread is sweet and does not need any icing. You can eat it as is or with a little butter or cream cheese. The bread is soft with plenty of lemon flavor from the zest. It can be wrapped up and refrigerated for a few days or slice it and store in the freezer for longer. Let me know how you guys like the bread in the comments below. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.